Hey, how's it going, guys? Wanted to make a quick video on this early 911 front wing. It's a driver's side fender for a long hood. This is brand new factory Porsche part, bought from a dealership. Really nice piece of equipment, but we're gonna cut it up. So the client I have for this project wants to cut out this gas cap. There's a whole structure inside, and we're gonna chop that out. I'll go ahead and scribe it up and cut it out, and we're just replacing it with bare sheet metal, get rid of the whole assembly inside. Reason being is the client is doing an in-frunk filler, kind of like an RS style gas tank filler. So maybe I'll do a video on that too. Yeah, let's cut it up and knock it out. So I got it here up on the bench, really just kind of checking it out, getting a feel for the part. I'll leave it like this until I have a rough patch rolled out for the radius here to kind of capture that radius. (11 by 7 inch). A little bit left over on the sides. All right, so I got a piece rolled up. It's kind of an oddball shape. The radius is bigger towards the back and tighter up front, kind of coming down that way. So there's also a flat near the bottom. So I've attempted to recreate that. Not how well my GoPro will focus. And a quick fit up. The route I'm going to go with is a route from a YouTuber who I cannot think of the name right now. Ziggy, maybe, from Australia or New Zealand. Tack this in place along like that. And then cut through the tacks one by one while you're pushing this piece down into place. So the new panel kind of falls into place and is straight. So it's a nice way to do that for panels like this. And here's a look at the inside for anybody wondering. There's the mechanism for latching right there. If we unclip this where the cable goes, tank pops open. So I've gone ahead and I'm making a few cuts from the inside out, just so I know where I'm located. And I'll drop this piece out and then work around it. So I've gone ahead here and cut out the vent in there that's brazed in. You can see the brass. For any non-Porsche people watching, every part is a good part, and something like this probably is not easy to come by. So in some ways, it's a shame that we're cutting it out. But somebody can use this down the line, so we're going to go ahead and cut it out, and keep it as the whole unit. So if I'm not mistaken, this whole unit should be clear to come out. Yep. There it is. Clean cut. The entire unit is saved. If we stop and take a look, I've done about half of the cutting here. You can see that the inside is peeling away and the outside is a super clean line that'll fall right into place.